Today's recipe is one of those I didn't create it, but I wish I had recipes. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my kitchen. You guys, did you see that deliciousness? Yes, it is a tortilla shell cheesy garlic bread that we are going to make in the air fryer. Oh my gosh, you guys, I came across this recipe from a post on Instagram. Opened up my phone and there it was, and as soon as I saw it, it's like, you know what, I have got to make it. And I tell you, I am just a sucker for a tortilla shell recipe. I've said before in some of my videos that I've come up with 101 ways to make a recipe out of a tortilla shell, but you guys, whoever put this together, which I will leave on the screen and in my description, beat me to the punch on this particular one, because all you need are some tortilla shells, some butter, garlic powder, some seasoning, and some mozzarella cheese, you guys, and you are good to go. So get all of the ingredients that you need to put this deliciousness together. Join me back here and I will show you just how easy it is to put this together coming up next. Okay, everyone, let me show you what I've done so far with these tortilla shells. I've got a regular shell here and I've got a low carb here. And what I did is kind of funny about the texture of bread, and I don't want the cheese to melt in the air fryer before this gets crispy enough. What I did is I heated my skillet, put a little bit of avocado oil in it, and then proceeded to just lightly brown these. See, it's still flexible, but just lightly brown these on both sides. Okay. Again, because I just don't want this cheese to melt and burn before I get a nice crisp on these shells. So this is totally optional, but again, because I'm really picky about the texture of bread, I opted to do it this way. Okay, so that is the bread. Now, here is our softened butter. All right, this looks really good, you guys. Okay. And to it, we are going to add some minced garlic. And another thing that I want to tell you about this recipe, you guys, you will see me not put any measurements on the screen. This is one of these things, okay? Put as little or as much as you like. It is totally up to you. And that's another thing that I really love and appreciate about this recipe. Give this a mix. And then, of course, too, you can also add some Italian herbs or any other herbs that you like in your garlic bread. That is totally optional as well. I've got some dried parsley over here, but what I'm going to do with that is after this comes out of the air fryer, I'm just going to sprinkle that on top. Let me just give this a taste just to make sure that I've got enough garlic in it. That garlic is just popping out of that butter. That is so good. All right, so at this point, you guys, it is time to butter this bread. I said butter the bread. We don't want to butter the cutting board. So just go ahead and put as little or as much as you like on both pieces of your tortilla shell. Okay, you guys, so that looks good. And the next thing that we want to do is add our mozzarella cheese. Okay, and I think that that is going to give me a good bit of cheesiness. And take the second one, put it right on top, and add some more cheese. All right, you guys, now this is ready for the air fryer. So I am going to set this one aside and bring over the regular one for my husband. And then when I see you again, we'll be over at the air fryer. All right, you guys, it is time to add our cheesy bread to this air fryer. I just put my liner in and place this on the liner. And in about 4 minutes, you guys, we're gonna have a melty, gooey, garlic cheesy bread. See you soon. Okay, everyone. Oh my goodness. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, let's lift this out. This looks and smells amazing. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I am going to bring this over to the counter and we are going to put some of that chopped parsley on it, slice this, and we're gonna give this a taste. All right, let's put some of this chopped parsley on this. Okay, let's go ahead and slice this into strips. And then go ahead and slide this onto our plate. Time to eat. All right, everybody, wasn't that easy? And it looks amazing. I will tell you, you can make this low carb by swapping out the regular shells for the low carb shells, but you are not going to get around the high fat content in this. You probably have already figured out. We've got lots of cheese in it, and we've got a Paula Deen version of butter in this, you guys. Okay, we didn't skimp on any of those things, but sometimes that's what your own kind of special ends up being. So let's dig in. Lord, I thank you. Oh my gosh, this looks just like a cheesy garlic breadstick. You guys, give this a try. This is absolutely phenomenal, you guys. Let me know how you feel about it by leaving it in the comments. And remember, you guys, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I want to thank the person that brought this to my attention on Instagram, and keep sharing your deliciousness, and we are going to keep following and making it our own kind of special. And you guys, until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next Fit Fat 50, and enjoy.